So in this question, how do we find the angle PQR? Angle PQR. That means they are only interested with this angle. Now you see seeing this, might be thinking, this is quadrilateral. No, it's not a quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is always formed by 4 chords, but here we have 2 radii, and what 2 chords. So it's not a quadrilateral. Now how do we find this angle here? Find the reflex angle of this one. Remember, half of this, you can trace this angle out. If I trace it out, I'm going to have something like this. Yes, which means half of this 26, this 126 will give me the angle in this place. But we are not interested with this point. I'll ask to find PQ out, this angle here. How do I find it? That means the angle in this place will be times 2 of the angle in this place. Yes. If this angle here is half of this one, that means this one that will be here will be half of this one that is here. Yes. So we can say what? 3 and reflex angle. Let's find this reflex angle. So we can say P. We say O. That's POR. POR. That's this angle. Plus now this upside. Now this upside will be. Let's say P. O. It's even POR. The outside part. Or let's name it to be T. Let's name it to be T. That will be C. How do I even measure this? C. P. O. R. Which means I mean this angle in this place will be what? So we say 360 minus POR equals to angle O. This reflex angle here. Let's name it W equals W. That's why I can say POR here is 126. That's 360 minus 126 equals to W. This angle here. So we say from here 126 minus this, we have that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So 34 equals to W. Now that's not my final answer. Our final answer now is now half of this 234. Then the half is going to be, that's PQR, angle PQR, and then ask us will now be half of this. Half of 200 is 100. Half of 34 is 17. 100 plus 17, that's 117. 117 degree. And that's the angle of PQR. Now let's check another question again. So in this next question, we have to find question LON. So how do you do LON? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here we're asked to find LON, which means we're looking for this O, which is the center of the circle. So using the rule of the triangle that says the sum of the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So therefore, let's put it down in words. LMN plus LNM plus, we've written N, we've written LMLN equals to 180 degrees. So yeah, our LMN is LMN, which is the one we're looking for. Let's name it X. That's X plus LMM, which is 39 degrees, plus MLN, which is 74 degrees, equals to 180 degrees. So X plus 39 degrees plus 74 degrees, which is 113 degrees, equals to 180 degrees. Collect like times. Okay. Let's come here. Collect like times. So we say X equals to 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. X equals to 67 degrees. But mind you, we're not asked to find M, we're asked to find O. So using the circle theory, which says the angle subtended at the circumference of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference of a circle is half, yeah, is half of the angle subtended at the center. At the center. So yeah, we already know our m to be 6 degrees. So using this rule, which means this is the circumference, right? So 2 times 67, that's how we get our center. So therefore 2 times 67 equals to 4 and 3, right? No, degrees.
That's correct.
Yes.
That's correct.
Thank you.
So what you mean in this place? You understand very simple. You have to find LOL, this angle. So you have to find LOL, this angle. For the person that to draw this document, I don't know how to do it. So from here, well, there's no way we can find it. We can just say 74 because this angle that we have here, this angle here is not up to 74 again. So what do we do? Find this angle instead. How do you find the sum of angle with triangle? That's 74 plus 39. That's 113. Then 180 minus answer will give me this answer. That's 180 minus 113. That's 67. Now remember the angle at the center of the circle is twice angle at the circumference of the circle. Yes. Yes, you wrote angle at the circumference of the circle. Now, that one is twice, no, it's half. That's when you are saying it in reverse. The reverse is now what? Angle at the center of the circle is twice angle at the circumference. Both are correct. You can also say what? Angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center of the circle. Which means what you say is that it's half of this one. I was getting this one. Now, what's half of 157? Correct. Or say what? Times 2 of this one. I will get this one. And times 2 of this one is what? 7 times 2, and that's what? 34. 134 rather. And that's actually got this answer. That's correct. And don't forget to like, comment, and share, please.